In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method in Azure. By the end, you'll confidently remove a card or other payment method from the Azure portal and understand the checks Azure runs before it allows the deletion. First, open your browser and go to portal.azure.com. Sign in with an account that has billing permissions for the subscriptions or invoices you manage. Typically, that's an owner or a billing administrator. If you sign in and don't see billing options later on, you may be in the wrong directory. Use the directory and subscription filter at the top of the portal to switch to the correct tenant. Once you're in, use the global search bar at the top of the Azure portal and type Cost Management plus Billing, then select it from the results. This area is where Azure centralizes your spend, invoices, and the payment methods tied to your billing account. Inside Cost Management plus Billing, look for Billing Profiles. A billing profile is essentially the entity that generates your invoices and holds its own payment methods. If your organization uses multiple profiles, you'll see more than one listed. Choose the billing profile that contains the payment method you want to remove. Taking a moment to confirm the correct profile helps you avoid editing the wrong set of payments. With the profile open, select Payment Methods. You'll now see a list of saved options, such as credit or debit cards associated with this specific profile. Locate the exact payment method you intend to remove. To the right of it, click the ellipsis, the three dots, to open the Action menu, and choose Delete. When you select Delete, Azure opens a Delete a Payment Method pane. This pane quickly checks whether the method is eligible for removal. Azure does this to make sure you don't accidentally remove a payment method that's still needed for active charges or set as the default for upcoming invoices. If the method passes the eligibility check, you'll see the option to confirm. Click Delete in the pane to finalize. If the pane indicates it's not eligible, review the message shown. Common reasons include the method being the default for that profile or being tied to pending charges. The portal will guide you on what needs to be resolved before deletion can proceed. That's it. You've navigated to the right billing profile, opened payment methods, and removed the payment method once it was eligible. Remember, these changes apply only to the selected billing profile and won't affect other profiles. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.